Here's a question I get all the time. Which cardio machine burns the most calories? Is it the treadmill, the stair climber, maybe the bike? The truth is, it's not about the machine. It's about how you use it. Let's break down the 5 things that actually matter when it comes to getting the most out of your cardio workouts. Number 1, find a cardio you actually enjoy, because if you hate the cardio, you won't stick with it. Whether it's walking, climbing, cycling, or running, the best cardio is the one you'll come back to over and over again. Number 2, listen to your body. If you got joint issues or past injuries, pick a cardio option that lets you challenge yourself without the pain. The elliptical, rowing machine, or bike might be better choices than running or stairs. Number 3, be honest about your schedule. You don't need an hour to get results. A focused 20 to 30 minutes of moderate to high intensity cardio can do wonders if you're consistent. Number 4, plan your week. Think about how many days you can realistically dedicate to cardio. Maybe it's 2 or 3 days a week to start. That's perfectly fine. Consistency beats perfection every time. And finally, remember your purpose. Cardio isn't punishment for what you ate. It's an investment in your energy, endurance, and heart health. The right machine is the one that keeps you moving, smiling, and feeling strong. And that right there is how you choose the best cardio for you. Let's get it. Peace. What's your favorite cardio machine at Harvest Green? Drop it in the comments. I love to hear what works best for you.